What up, y'all, and welcome to the Wizard's Forge. In this video, we'll be covering how to make a new gear appearance for our avatar. The Creator Kit has a built-in character creator that will allow us to mix and match a bunch of different outfits and texture them to make new outfits for the player. First, we're going to cover how to create an empty mod, and then how to navigate into the Creator Kit's built-in character creator. From there, we'll make a new gear appearance in the character creator. Then we'll finalize our gear appearance by setting the text and icon to what the player is going to see in-game. And we'll finish this video off by uploading our mod to CurseForge and then testing it works in-game. To create a new clothing mod for our avatar, first we're going to create an empty mod. So we'll select this Create Mod button, select New Empty Mod, and give it a name. Important to note, this is going to be the name of your mod plugin, which is going to be how it's referenced in the Creator Kit. You'll have a chance to rename your mod once you upload it to reference how you'd like it to look in-game. Once you're ready, select that Create Mod button. From here, we'll select the View Options button down at the bottom and make sure Show Plugin Content is enabled. From there, we'll click the folder icon and navigate to our customizable character content folder. From here, we'll double-click the character creator level. Then select the play button to launch the character creator. From here, we'll select the editor mode option and make sure gear is selected. Then I'll press the F11 key to make things easier to see. From here, we'll select the type button and we'll scroll down to player. And then we'll select what avatar preset we want to change. An important thing to note about the character creator is it handles the male and female presets separate. So if you make an outfit for the male character, you'll have to make it again for the female character. Now for this mod, I'm going to be making a new outfit for the male avatar, but you can also use this process to create gear for the back, face, hands, head, and neck. You'll follow the same process, but you'll use the section for the gear type you want to create. From here, we'll select this new preset button and give our new preset a name. So I'm going to call mine WFM underscore outfit underscore 001. And then I'll click OK to create this new outfit. Now if we navigate to our mods folder, we'll see that the Creator Kit has added a folder for us. If we click into this folder, we'll see that we have data, gear appearance, outfit, then we have a new data asset of type Phoenix Gear Appearance Item Definition. Now if we select the data asset, we'll see that it's created a new gear appearance of type outfit with the outfit items we had selected when we made the preset. Now we'll go back to the character creator and select what outfit we want to use. So first we'll make sure our gear appearance is selected, so we'll click this gear appearance button, scroll down to the bottom, and we'll see GA underscore WFM underscore outfit underscore 001, and we'll make sure that's selected. From here we can select any of these options and mix and match different outfit items until we find something that we like. For this mod, I'm going to be using this M underscore CMBH underscore Poacher Captain 01 outfit. Once we have our outfit selected, we'll select this gear icon to start texturing it. Now this outfit is separated into various sections called regions. So we'll select the region that we want to edit, then we'll select it, and then we can make our changes here. You can also change the texture sets to any of the textures that are currently in the Creator Kit. Important, make sure to close out of here every now and then and select that Save button to save your outfit. Once you have a design you like, we'll exit out of this and then make sure we press that Save Preset button to save our outfit. From here, if we open that data asset in our mods folder, we'll see that it updated with all of our recent changes. Now that we have our gear appearance created, then we'll set how the player receives it. Since this is just a gear appearance, we're going to unlock it automatically so the player can use it as soon as they download the mod. I'll have another tutorial in the future if you want to make gear with stats that you can buy from a vendor. To unlock this gear, first we're going to go to the lock definition static table. So we'll select window, and then come to DB text entry and select static. From here we'll search lock definition and double click this lock definition static table. This is going to bring up all of the locks in the game and if they're locked or unlocked by default. To unlock our gear, we're going to search WFM, and then we're going to find the gear piece we just created and then set it to simple unlocked. Now if we have our mod selected and we play a save, we should get this gear automatically. We're going to enter the pause menu, and we'll navigate to the gear section. Then we'll select the change appearance button on the outfit section, and then we'll see our new gear. Next, we're going to change this debug text, the debug description, and this red debug icon. Now, something to note, for some reason these outfits don't show up in the creator kit. They'll just show with a blank option. So at the end of this video, I'll show you how to upload your mod and then test your mod in Steam before approving it for CurseForge. To change the debug text, first we're going to need to find what the debug ID for our gear item is. To do that, we'll go to the DB static text entry. We'll search registry, and then we'll double click the registry static table. This is going to give you a list of all the items in game. So we'll search WFM for our gear option, and we'll see that there's an entry of WFM underscore outfit underscore 001 underscore common. So we'll copy this and then exit out of this table. From here, we're going to open our localization text editor. So we can find this at window and localization text editor. So for the ID, we're going to put our registry ID for our gear. So WFM underscore outfit underscore 01 underscore common. Then in localization, we're going to put the name of our outfit. So I'm going to call this Poacher Captain's Outfit. And then we'll press apply changes. Next, we're going to do the same thing for the description. The description will have the same debug ID as the gear, but we'll have underscore DESC at the end. Then in the localization, we'll put in what text we want for our description. So I say a commanding outfit designed for the captain of the poachers. And then we'll press apply changes. This will automatically add this lockdirect.ava.json file to your mods folder. This file is going to tell the game whenever you see these debug entries, we want to display these texts for each of them. This file can be found in your mods folder at Hogwarts Legacy Creator Kit, Phoenix Game, Mods, Mod Name, and Content. Now if we test this in game, instead of those two debug texts, we'll see our localized text for our gear. So we'll have Poacher Captain's Outfit and a commanding outfit designed for the captain of the poachers. All that's left to do is to create our gear icon. Now unfortunately, as of the time of making this video, it looks like this gear icon maker is also not displaying your correct gear. Normally you could find this here at Content, Editors, Gear Icon Maker, and then select this Gear Icon Maker level, and then you can use this to create your icon for your gear. I'll leave this in just in case they fix it, but instead we're just going to grab a screenshot from the character editor. So we'll select this folder button, and we'll scroll down to customizable character content and then open the character creator. Then we'll select the play button to launch the character creator. From here you're going to make sure editor mode is set to gear, type is set to mannequin, and character is set to the mannequin type of your avatar's gender. Then we'll scroll down to our outfit section, select gear, and scroll down to our gear appearance. If you don't see your gear appearance in this list, make sure the right mod is selected and the mannequin is the correct gender. From here you can select the middle mouse button to change where the camera is pointing for your screenshot. And once you have an angle you like, I'll press Windows Alt Print Screen to take a screenshot of my screen. Then from here I just use the Windows Photo Editor to cut it out in a square shape, and then I'll press Save. Now the other gear icons in game are going to be 256 by 256 if you want to follow that, but I've found as long as it's a square I don't really notice a difference. Then we'll drag and drop that screenshot into our mods folder. We'll follow the same naming conventions as the other textures, so we'll call this UI underscore T underscore GA underscore our outfit name. So for this piece, I have UI underscore T underscore GA underscore WFM underscore outfit underscore 001 underscore M. Now there's just two more assets we need to add to finish off our mod. We'll have an asset that tells the game that this texture is for a gear icon, and then another asset to add that to the game. So first we're going to create a new data table. So we'll right click the mod folder, scroll up to miscellaneous, and then select the first data table option. From here you'll pick a row structure, so we'll select this none option, and then we'll type in icon, and then we'll select icon info. From there we'll press OK to make our data table of type icon info. Now to follow the same naming conventions as the other assets, we'll call this DT for data table underscore and then our outfit name. So for this we'll have DT underscore WFM underscore outfit underscore 001 underscore M. Now it's time to consult our sacred text. This Wizard's Forge Bible is going to be a list of commandments based on mistakes that I made, so you don't have to. This commandment, thou shalt always use the exact gear appearance ID for the row name for each preset when adding icons to the data table. This table finds the asset to add this icon to by truncating this GA section and matching it with whatever follows. So if this row name doesn't exactly match your gear appearance ID, you won't see this icon in-game. Since the character creator lists the male and female option as two separate entries, we're going to need to add this underscore M or the underscore F to the end of your row name. So if you have an outfit that affects both of them, you'll add two entries to this data table, one with underscore M and one with underscore F. We can find the gear appearance ID by going to the gear appearance items static table. All that's left to do is add our Mod Mutator. So we'll right click our mod folder, select Blueprint class, and then in the search bar we'll type in Mod Mutator, and then we'll see this first option, Mod Mutator, and select that. From here we'll name our Mod Mutator BP for Blueprint underscore Mod Mutator. And then we'll double click to open up this Mod Mutator. Now what this Mod Mutator is going to do is it's going to take our new data table that we just made and add it to the list of existing icon data tables already in game. We'll do this by selecting this data table extensions. And in this tables to add to, we're going to want to add it to the icons. So we're search UI underscore DT underscore icons. And then I'll make this a little smaller. And for our additional data, we'll select our data asset and then select this arrow to add it to our Mod Mutator. Now this Mod Mutator will tell the game if this mod is active to take the modded data asset we just made and add it to this UI underscore DT underscore icons list already in game. Now we'll test that everything's working by entering the pause menu, going to the gear menu, gear appearance, and then we'll have our gear outfit with the right text, the right icon, and now we'll just load it in game to make sure the outfit is working as intended. Now we'll just upload our mod and test it in game. So we'll select the upload mod button, I'll make it full screen, and then we'll give it our mod name. So this is going to be how it looks in Steam. I'll call this Poacher Captain Avatar Gear Appearance. Also going to say male since it's just for the male avatar. Then for category, I'm going to set this to fashion. Mod summary adds gear appearance to male avatar. And then for the description, I'm going to put adds an additional outfit gear appearance to the male avatar. This gear appearance will unlock automatically once this mod is activated. And once everything looks good, I'm going to press the upload button. We'll get this because our texture isn't the right size, but we'll press OK and it'll still upload. Once your mod is cooked successfully, CurseForge will send you this notification that your file is now ready for review. Now you'll be able to test your mod locally before sending it to be approved by CurseForge for everyone to see in-game. Select the mod menu, and then navigate to Library. We'll see an uploaded section at the bottom, which will have a list of all of our uploaded mods. Here in this mod menu, you can find all of the mods that you've uploaded. So I have all of my mods that are live in game right now, and all of the mods that I'm still working on. So for this, I'm going to select this mod we just made, and we're going to press install. Then I like to download the skip intro mods by WB. They'll skip you to a point in the game where you can easily check your gear. Then I'll start a new character, and I'll select the mod we just made, and the skip intro mod. I'll hit enter, and then start a new game. Then after we've created our character, we'll just load in here. So we'll enter the pause menu, go to the gear tab, select gear appearance on outfit, and then we'll see this one we just made, and if we click it, we'll see our outfit in game. So then we'll hide this, and then we have our outfit. Thanks for watching, and that's going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, like and subscribe, and let me know what kinds of videos and tutorials you'd like to see next. Wizards Forge Mods, out.